Hey YouTube, it's your girl Shaman. I'm back with another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my wigs when I'm in a rush. The key to this method is doing flat twists instead of French braids. I do this method for one of three reasons. The first reason being that I actually don't have time to French braid my hair. What I mean by that is one time I actually had an event to go to, and in the midst of me getting dressed, doing my makeup, I had washed my hair, did my nails. I realized I didn't have time to sit and French braid my hair in order to apply my wig. So that's actually how I started flat twisting my hair under my wigs, because I didn't have time to do the French braids. My hair, when I tried to slick it back into a ponytail, it was too thick and it wasn't laying down. And I was trying to figure out like, oh my God, what can I do? What can I do? And I'm like, duh, do a flat twist. It's the same thing. So like I said, if I don't have time to actually French braid my hair, I will go ahead and do flat twists. The second reason is that I'm only going to wear the wig for a short amount of time. So the reason I started doing the flat twist is because I was throwing the wig on for that night. So if I'm only going to wear it for that night or 1 to 3 days, I'm going out of town for the weekend, and I know as soon as I get home, I'm going to get back to the real me. I won't even waste my time French braiding my hair, because like I said, the flat twist will literally give you the exact same results. Just for me, the flat twists don't last as long. So if I am going to wear the wig for, a week to 2 weeks, I will go ahead and French braid it. But if it's only going to be for a short amount of time, I'll just save myself the hassle and do the flat twist. And then the third reason is that I know I need to wash my hair within the next few days. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but like I get super lazy, especially taking down French braids. And so I know that like if I actually take the time to French braid my hair, when it's time for me to take it out and wash my hair, that'll push my wash day back 3, 4, 5 days, because I don't feel like taking the braids down. Whereas the twisties, I know like it literally takes me 10 seconds to take them down. So if I know that I need to wash my hair within the next couple days, I just go ahead and do the twist. Like I said, not only does it save time putting them in, but also taking them down. So I don't have an excuse as to why I'm gonna push back washing my hair, because I don't feel like taking down French braids, But so if that sounds interesting, if you guys want to see how I do my twisting method and how I apply my wigs, stay tuned.
You got me twisted. You got me twisted.
So like I said, I separated my hair into 4 sections. There's like hair flying all over the place. Some things that you guys are gonna need. You're probably gonna need a spray bottle. This is just water that's in here. Some clips to separate your hair. I'm gonna be using this Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste by Curls. I got it out of Target. This is my edge control, so I'm going to be using that, this brush, as well as a wide tooth comb to try and separate your hair. So what I normally do is I take the brush, I take a little bit of the edge control that I use, and I get this first twist, and I just like lay my edges and my baby hairs down. And let me just tell y'all, so there's a difference between edges and baby hairs, and I just need to educate y'all real quick. If the hair is in front of your hairline, like these little guys right here, these are my sideburns, but like, you see all these little hairs in front of my hairline? Those are baby hairs. Anything behind your hairline is your edges. So like, I hate when girls take their edges and try to make baby hairs, because it just looks crazy and the hairs are too long. Like, do you guys see how short my baby hairs are? Because these are like actual true baby hairs. But I take the brush and I comb my baby hairs and my edges, or not comb, but brush them and just kind of slick them down, so that they're not looking all crazy. Like this side just kind of looks a little rough, and like this side looks like, okay. Sorry, there's literally hair flying everywhere. And then I should have did this first. Oops. I take a comb and I separate my hair so I can do my first twist. I normally do that before I like brush with the edge control, like lay my edges and my baby hairs down, but I completely forgot, so I'm sorry. Separate it first and then and then lay your hair down. So I'm just gonna separate it like this. The way that I excuse me, the way that I style my twists when I do my wigs and my braids too, I always do a braid or twist going this way down my face. A lot of people, when they apply their wigs, they do their braids or their twists going straight back. I don't like doing that because unless I'm gluing my wig down, if I'm just putting it on and pulling it off, I feel like that braiding it just straight back, my wig slides back. And I do use a wig grip, but like even then, like the wig cap will get to sliding back, the wig grip will get to sliding back, and then the wig starts sliding back. Whereas when I put this braid or the twist going down this way, the wig cap, and you'll see it when I come back, the wig cap sits right here. And then the wig grip will sit right here too, and then the wig doesn't move. So that's why I'm doing this twist this way. So if it's something new that you haven't seen before, that's why, like I said. Right now it's 2:22 p.m. that I just started. And I'm gonna go ahead and just fast forward through all of this. And let you guys know what time it is when I come back, just to show you, like, it doesn't take that long at all.
You can't catch me, ain't gon' stress me, won't depress me, no. Uninteresting, don't impress me, you can't sex me, no. You think you got me hypnotized, I see right through your lies. I don't want no bad vibes, I don't want your bad vibes. Heartbreak around town, flirting, living it up. And now you claim you want Sean boy, but you ain't big enough. You so smooth with your words, I pay attention to your actions. If your actions ain't lining up, boy, you can get to stepping next and get about my face. Cause my intelligence you testing for, you embarrass yourself.
Okay, so I came back real quick. Right now it's 2:26. And I have 5 twists in my head. I have 3 in the front section and 2 in the back section. As you guys can see, I haven't really been putting much product in my hair. I've only been spraying the ends of my hair, and I'm doing that because right now my hair it doesn't look oily, but it's still like very oily when I touch it, which lets me know that it's moisturized. And so sometimes if it's been 2 weeks since I washed my hair and I know that my hair is dry, I will go in and with definitely a lot more water, but then also too this leave-in conditioner that I use. It's the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. It's by Curls too. I have it upside down because I'm almost out. But so if my hair is dry, then I will put more products in my hair. And if you're doing this method and your hair is dry, then please put more water in your hair, put leave-in conditioner in your hair. But my hair, like I said, is still pretty moisturized.
You think you so damn fine, that ego got some height. You swear you worth the hype, man, I can't stand your type. You can't catch me, ain't gon' stress me, won't depress me, no. Uninteresting, don't impress me, you can't sex me, no. You think you got me hypnotized, I see right through your lies. I don't want no bad vibes, I don't want your bad vibes. You swear you on top, but it don't top. You swear the room stop, but it don't stop. Boy, you must be out your head. You think I'm climbing in your bed. You better get in your place and move to the side. Grown, independent, I know I'm fine. Your compliments, they ain't genuine. I know your game, so don't waste your time.
Done. It is 2:32, so it's only been 10 minutes. I have 10 twisties in my head, and now I'm ready to put my wig on, so that was nasty. So I'm gonna go get my my wig cap and my wig grip and my wig cap, my wig grip and my wig, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. I have my wig cap. This is one that's already kind of been stretched out and worn before. I do wash them. If I don't glue my wig down and cut the cap, I will reuse the cap until I can't use it no more. And you know, I feel like when you wash them, like, there's nothing wrong with them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. Sometimes it takes me a minute to get all the twisties in it. And sometimes I will put the twisties in a ponytail and then put them under the wig cap. Sometimes I won't. It just depends on how I feel. Today I'm feeling kind of lazy, so we're just gonna put the wig cap on. And so as you can see, I'm sliding the wig cap back, but like the actual band of the wig cap is getting kind of stuck on that first twist that I put down, which is why I do that. Whether it's a twist or a braid, the cap kind of, and I mean, I can pull it back, but it kind of has a harder time. Even now, like it's still sitting on this twist and it's not necessarily sliding back. So that's why I do either a twist or a braid going down the side of my face like that. And normally what I do is I kind of have a widow's peak, but not really. So I kind of pull the wig cap back a little bit to show these hairs. I put this wig grip on. I bought this from Amazon and it looks all crazy because it like stretched out to the point where like it almost didn't fit my head anymore because it was too big. So I did end up cutting it and then like restitching it back together because I'm cheap and I don't like spending money on things that I already own. Or like, I don't know, I don't like repurchasing things. So if I can fix it, I will. So I just put it on like this. And you see I still have a little bit of hair showing. I'm gonna grab my wig. Now y'all, this wig needs to be washed, so don't clock me. Don't come for me. I do like this wig. It is starting to shed on me a little bit. And maybe it's just because I'm not like, not that I'm not taking care of it, but like I haven't washed it. It probably hasn't been conditioned in Lord knows how long. So that's probably attributing to some of the shedding. So like I said, it is starting to shed on me, but it's fine. I still am gonna wear this wig because I love this wig. And I just put them on like this. And I'm not going to glue any of this down. You can see like all of this is still pretty exposed. Same thing with this side, like all of this is exposed because I'm not going to glue it down. The wig grip, for the most part, it doesn't move. It might move like a wiggle a little bit, but it doesn't really. What I do is when I'm not gluing my wigs down, or even if I do glue my wigs down, I don't like these hairs right here that fall dead in front of your face. So I always take them. And maybe like a couple hairs from the front side. Like this. And I take them and I tuck them behind my ear. So you see how all of this was looking crazy. And now you can't see it. And so I go in on the other side and do the same thing. So I always do this. And I just kind of realized like, oh, like it also kind of finesses the wig a little bit more. It makes it look a little more natural. And then I will go into with my toothbrush if I can find it. Here's my toothbrush. I get a little more edge control. And I just kind of relay some of these hairs. So like these ones are pretty laid. This right here, my sideburns, I take it and I don't know what kind of like swoop that is that I do, but it's just like a little swoop. My sideburns aren't too thick, which I'm happy about, because they just look like real cute when I lay them down. And then sometimes I will take a bobby pin too and stick it right here, just for extra security. But I'm not really going anywhere today. If I leave the house, I'll probably put the bobby pins right here. Like I said, for extra security, but I'm not really going anywhere, so who cares? All right, so that's it for this video. Make sure that you guys like and subscribe to my channel. Listen to my project if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat, all of that at Sham the Baddest. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Want no bad vibes. You can't catch me, ain't gon' stress me, won't depress me, no.